Alright, we got a 2015, looks like a Grand Cherokee. We check engine light. They said they heard a gurgling noise. Just initially looking at this thing, it looks like the thermostat just is leaking right here. And it looks like the purge hose came off. So I know that thing runs right there, pretty common for those. And then they had a question about the AC. They said they heard a gurgling noise, which I did not hear, but I'm assuming this thing has no coolant. Yeah, ugh. So we'll see. Alright. So there's no coolant in this thing. Let's see what the engine light, probably a engine over temp and a purge, like a leak. And that could be the gurgling noise they sound. It probably was just struggling to start with that purge valve, just disconnected like that. 2015 Grand Cherokee. There we go. I'm gonna recommend the thermostat and a coolant flush. And then I'll ask them, I mean, obviously if the coolant is leaking, the AC is not gonna work. So I'll have him ask the customer about that. I just want to check these codes real quick. They said they had their mechanic replace a sensor, and then ever since then it's been making a gurgling sound. But yeah, evap failure, evap performance. So that's going to be because of that purge. I can't believe they don't have a thermostat code. Purge performance, we know what that is, and then I will address the other. Like I said, I'll address the AC issue when I talk to him. I know that this is the problem with that code. You can see that this is super common with these type of lines. They just break right there. So it's going to be this one, and then I'll see if they want to fix this leak, and then check the oil on these. Usually they're low. It doesn't look that like the cooler's leaking, but this thing is really low on oil. Yeah, 1.5 quarts. That's bad for this thing. I didn't feel any misfire though, so I don't see leaks down there. So we're gonna, yeah, because usually the valley will fill up with oil and then it'll leak down the back of the trans. But yeah, so it looks like we got a little evap failure and then a leak, and then I'll get some more info. So okay, she approved the thermostat. Really simple, just took it off, and then I took off the purge valve hose. So we'll just reattach it, clear the codes, and then retest, and we should be good to go on this one. Pretty simple.